how to manually install or reinstall an OS using SolusVM for customized installation. A manual installation allows you to modify or create a custom partition. Log into your SolusVM control panel. If there is more than one server, click to select the appropriate one. Scroll down. Change the boot order to CD-ROM hard disk. Click the CD-ROM tab. Notice that CD-ROM is not mounted. If it is mounted, click the Unmount button. Click to open the drop-down list and select the operating system you wish to install, and then click the Mount button. Now let's reboot the VPS and open VNC quickly without wasting time. Click the HTML VNC Client SSL button to get connected. Most operating systems will ask you to press any button to start an OS installation while booting. It may also show you an option like Install OS or Test this media. For OS installation or reinstallation, select Install OS and press the Enter button. Select a language and continue. We have to create the partition, set root password, and create a user. Let's do it one by one. There are triangle icons where we haven't selected anything. For the partition job, go to Installation Destination and select the disk you'd like to install. You may or may not have a checked disk if you have more than one disk, so click to select the proper disk. Now click the Done button. It says that there is not enough free space available on the disk. The operating system will remove all the data you have on the disk, so either make a backup or go ahead only if you don't need it anymore. Go and click to reclaim space. Click the Delete All button, as I don't need the data anymore, and then click the Reclaim Space button. Now that the caution icon has disappeared, set root or admin password. The password is weak, and I need to click the Done button twice to confirm it. There are other options here. You can click and select keyboard type if you require a different keyboard. You can select a time zone as per your requirement. Notice that the network is disconnected. Click to connect network and set a host name also. For other remaining options, I will leave the default settings. You can visit them and make your choices. Now everything looks good, so let's click to begin the installation. We have installed CentOS 8.3 and it is asking to reboot the system, so click the Reboot System button. Now let's go back to the VPS control panel and set the boot order to hard disk CD-ROM. Reboot for the changes to take effect. We can now go back to the VNC and complete the initial setup. There is a caution icon, so let's go and complete it. The configuration has been finished. Now go to Next. Set username and password for your CentOS. That's it. You can start using CentOS now. Thank you for watching.